And in the last thrilling video for today, we're going to look at question 13. We have a line segment joining, I better go down here because we won't have the room, -5, 1, and 5, -1, and that's a diameter. We need to find the center of the circle. Okay, and we know that the center of the circle is the midpoint of the diameter, so we have to get the midpoint using the midpoint formula. Which we get on page 18 of our tables and formula book. So that's -5 plus 5 over 2 and 1 minus 1 over 2 and gives us a centre of 0, 0. Part 2, we have to calculate the radius, and the radius is the distance from the centre to a point on the edge. So if I take 5 minus 1 and I use the formula, the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, which is the formula for the length of a line on page 18 of your tables and formula book, as you know. So that's the square root of 0 minus 5 squared plus minus 1 plus minus 0 squared. And that will give us, so it's the square root of 0 minus 5 squared plus minus 1 minus 0 squared, and gives us the square root of 26. That is our radius. Then we have to write down the equation of the circle. We know that that's going to be x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So that's x squared plus y squared is equal to, this is our radius, so it's the square root of 26 squared. So it's x squared plus y squared is equal to 26. We'll do that, you do that bit on the calculator, as you know. Then using the formula A equals pi r squared, find the area of the circle. Okay, so the area of the circle, A, is equal to pi r squared. So that's pi multiplied by 26, the square root of 26 squared, to 2 decimal places. So pi multiplied by the square root of 26 squared to 2 decimal places is 81.68 units squared. And then the last part is we need to find the area of a square with vertices. Vertices, remember, are the corners. Okay, so we have 0, 0, 0, 9, 9, 9, that's here, and here. So I'm going to draw this in. Sometimes it helps to just draw them out. That's in the wrong place, as you can see. That's 9, 9, and that's 9, 9. So I'm looking to find the area of this square here. So how do I get the area of a square? So the area of a square is equal to length by width. Well, the length from here to here is 9, and the width from there to there is 9. So that's 81 units squared. And the question asks you, is the area of the square greater than the area of the circle? We need to answer that part of the question as well. And we can say that therefore the area of the square, which is 81 units squared, is less than the area of the circle, which is 81.68 units squared.